Hi my loves, welcome back to my channel. If you are new, welcome. My name is Jasmine, and for today's video I am going to be doing a makeup tutorial, but I'm going to be using the Disney and Colourpop collaboration makeup palette that I'm super excited to try out because I love Disney. I absolutely love it. I mean, my daughter loves Disney, but I think I'm just as fan of Disney as she is because I love it. And if you guys can't see, my favorite princess is Princess Jasmine. So I am super excited to be trying out this eyeshadow palette. It looks so beautiful. I am going to be giving you guys swatches right here so you guys can see how beautiful it is. I mean, they all swatched very nice, but I don't rely on swatches. I really like to put them on my eyes, try it out, see how good they blend out and all that good stuff. So I am going to be giving you guys all of that right now. So I hope you guys enjoy this video. If you do, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe down below for more videos. And yeah, let's get started with this makeup look. Okay love, so I am back. This is the finished completed look. I absolutely love this palette. I love all the shades in it. The shimmery shades are very beautiful. They blend very well on the eyes. I didn't use any Fix Plus or anything because I wanted to just give the eyeshadows a chance, and they do very well without it, and I think they'll do even better with Fix Plus. So I absolutely love this palette. If you are debating if you're gonna get it or not, I absolutely love it. If you are a Disney fanatic, then you're definitely gonna love this palette. I'm gonna hold on to this palette forever. I'll hand it down to my daughter when she grows up, but I just love it. All these shadows blended out very well. I love how the look came out. If you guys can see, it's a very beautiful, very simple. and I love it. It's so beautiful. I'm just obsessed with Disney, so I had to get it, and I love it so far. I haven't got my hands on any of the lipsticks because they all sold out, but I do want to pick up the Jasmine and the Ariel because I think those are the two shades that I like the most. And yeah, I'm super excited to try it out, and they need to come back in stock because I want to try them. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this makeup look. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. If you guys want to see more looks with this palette, then definitely give this video a big thumbs up. That'll let me know that you guys want to see another look using the Disney and Colourpop. And yeah, I will see you guys all in my next video. Bye, loves.